I'm going to teach you all about the juicy figure of 8. I love this particular figure of 8 because it's got so much cadence to it, so much flow, so much curves and juiciness. There's like a big juicy figure of 8. And depending on what costume you're wearing, you can imagine that things would really move, your material, your skirts, and whatever would really move. Anyway, so I'm going to teach you about that. There are lots of different types of figure of 8s. And this is, I'm going to be doing a figure of 8 series of different types of figure of 8s. This one I've called the juicy figure of 8. For obvious reasons, right? So juicy figure of 8. So let's go. Warm up first, please, and then come back and see me. I've got loads of videos for you to choose from. So go check out my page, warm up, and then come back. Okay, so first of all, let's just do some sitting into the hips. So I'm going right, or your left maybe, and left. I'm just going to swing. Posture, of course, pull the tummy in and engage it so the belly button is going towards the spine. I'm not sticking my bottom out. Chest lifted, please. Shoulders down, long neck, and your head is floating to the sky. So softly shifting weight. And now notice that you should be shifting your weight from one leg to the other. Yeah? You're a little bit closer. So you're going 1, 2, 1. I'm really pushing. And it's dip and push, 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 dip and push. Yes. Okay. So first of all, let's just get started off with a very basic general figure of 8. Okay. So front to back, front to back. Okay. So you can just write that down for a moment. Hips are going forward and forward and forward and forward and forward and forward. Chest is lifted. Try to keep the chest facing the front, even though your hips are twisting. Alright? And so from here, what we're going to do is forward, shift the weight all the way into this leg, take it around the back. When you can't go any further, shift it forwards. When you can't go any further, shift it around the back. And if you look down at your hips, you will see if you are drawing a figure of 8 on the floor, or an infinity sign around your feet. Okay? So this is just a general figure of 8 motion of the hips at the moment. I'm not doing anything in particular, just getting you into the action of the hip. Alright, and you want to be free and relaxed and breathe and smile and all that good stuff. Okay, and then what we're going to do is take it into a bit more of a bend. So this hip figure of 8 is juicy, so you want to bend the knees and really come down into it. So now, I'm going to go towards the right. And now look, I'm sitting all the way into the right. Brings my feet a bit better, right? Here we go. Okay, so we're going to sit back into the right hip, or maybe this is your left. All of my weight is on this leg, and so should you, okay? So there's no weight on this leg. And it's going to go around the back. That part feels a little bit awkward because then you need to shift it through. Look at my feet. My feet pivot or swivel. Okay, and now I'm on this corner. I'm going to bring it round the back. It will move like that much, not very much at all, right? Round, and then I'm going to swivel, push through, transfer the weight. Dip. Look at my feet. Should we just do that for a minute? Swivel, swivel, swivel. And then so all the weight has to end up on the leg, the side. Swivel, 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 swivel. You get the idea, right? That's the feet. Then I'm going to take it a little step further, where I want you to go swivel. Your hip has to be forward first. Careful of your knees. Always knees must always be in line with your toes. First toe and second toe. Come around the back and then swivel again. Come around the back, swivel again. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Transfer the weight to this leg and then this leg. Transfer the weight 1, transfer the weight 2. Make sure you go to the front. And so now we're going to add on the emphasis. So now, which would grab the feet, right? I'll go backwards again in a second. What I want you to do now is really accent the hip work. So I'm going to go to the front, and then I'm going to really exaggerate at the back. It's almost like I'm scooping with my butt. Imagine your favorite flavor ice cream, and you want to scoop a massive scoop put the ice cream with your butt cheek. And then through, push. Okay, and swivel, swivel, dip and push, dip and push, dip and push, dip and push, dip and push. So the hip, I'll face the side as well. The figure of 8 is very in the back. Yeah, you do need to come to the front, otherwise you can't go to the back. But you want to very in the back. Okay? So, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. This is one of my most favorite styles of figure of 8s. It's very my style, if you like. I really love to scoop the hips and really make a big thing of it. And I'll face the back as well, just to give you an idea. So I'm really transferring the weight from one leg to the other, and scooping up and around the back. Up and around the back. Okay, up and back. Coming forward a little bit for you. Okay, 6, 7, and scoop, scoop. I'm also going to add on my foot now. So let's get you started fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Transfer the weight. 5. Scoop the hips, scoop it, scoop it. It's very behind me. Scoop, scoop. Okay, now, as an option, I'm going to lift the opposite heel. Okay, so I'm going to turn that heel in and lift it up. You don't have to, it's just a variation of it. So 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, you've got it. Come with me. If you're still focusing on it, it still feels tricky, then I advise you to stay here. Otherwise, we're going to come back to the front. So come round. You're going to travel in a circle. 1, 2, 3. So you can go in a circle with me. Let's go. Come on, try. Try! Keep it going. If it's too much, just stay on the spot. There's no point in moving on if you're still trying to understand the dynamics. So maybe you want to rewind, watch again, and then join me afterwards. Let's reverse it. 1, 2. Keep the hips moving, keep the hips moving, keep them moving. 1, 2. 1, cascade, and flow the hips. Cascade and flow. 1, 2, and use a bit of belly. Ha, ha. Okay. Breathe. It's fun. But it's a bit tiring. So, wide, and then we can go a little bit closer together. So, let's see how you go. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget the front to back. Front to back. A bit closer together. Front to back. Front to back. Front to back. Front to back. Okay. So that was juicy figure of 8s. What I call juicy figure of 8s. There's many things you can do with them, but that's enough for today, I think, right? So, back for more because there's loads of other videos on my page. Otherwise, you can do, there'll be more figure of 8 variations coming if there isn't already. So, check my page out, my YouTube page out. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.